Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have more attractive, more stunning and fabulous designs. So this video is more amazing ideas, more fantastic videos and daily basis designs we are uploaded for you. This video is all about the crochet poncho designs ideas, crochet poncho videos where different patterns of poncho videos and different daily 50-60 designs in this video and daily basis designs and daily trend for share with you and like so elegance videos. Are you there? And more fantastic ideas, fantastic videos and amazing crochet hand knitted work and demanding videos for poncho related videos and different colors, different ideas, different combinations and one color combinations. Poncho is so amazing and two colors combination, three colors combination are depending on your choice. Are you there? And more fantastic videos and you like more elegance ideas, elegance videos. I have more attractive designs for uploaded for you. You like sophisticated videos and more amazing ideas. जो भी आप लोगों के लिए इस तरह के डिज़ाइंस वगैरह हैं नीटेड दिखाए जाते हैं, आप लोग इनका अच्छा सा फीडबैक दिया करें ताकि आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इससे अच्छा मतलब देखने को अवेलेबल हो जो कि आप लोग देखना चाहते हैं और होपफुली कि आप लोगों को जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह दिखाए जाते हैं आप लोगों की चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for getting more attractive and more stunning ideas, more fabulous videos. You like so elegant videos we are uploaded for you and I have different pattern, different ideas, different sketches videos, amazing videos were uploaded for you. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Different patterns are available in this channel and you like more attractive, more stunning videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.